Hello, good morning. We are here at the farm with our strawberries. Yan. This is our Sweet Charlie variety. Yan. Red, juicy, and sweet. Yan. This is another Sweet Charlie variety with little fruits and flowers. Yan. Ito naman ang Snow White variety. Sweet Charlie. These are some flowers. I will pinch, kukurutin or isa-sacrifice, tatanggalin. Ayan. A little sacrifice for better future. Sayang pero ganun talaga para mag-grow yung plants. Ayan. Ito yung unexpected naman na hindi ko natanggal. Malaki na siya. Ayan. Simple lang pag-cut. Oh. Big strawberry. Ayan. This is Sweet Charlie, and these are lots of Sweet Charlie. Ito yung fully grown. Ito yung ripe. Almost 95% or 100% red na siya. Juicy, red, and sweet. Only here at Mahayhay, Laguna, Barangay Amonoy. Sweet, juicy, yummy.